Getting any background noise?
Like a bit.
Oh,
Yes, Kalki.
it's fine. Okay. Yeah, you can share your doors.
Sure, Kalki. Yeah. Well, last one actually. You have to correct me because I'm not able to find the query, like the logic for the query.
I said there is a method. This is a glide aggregate API. I did not say this yet. I will say this in the future.
Okay,
You
so
can
is
get
this
the
the
row count from glide. Ignore this for now. Through glide record also you can do that actually. Okay.
Okay.
But I have not said this. We can do it for from glide record also. We can get the number of records through glide record also. I'm
Okay.
expecting the answer from glide record API itself because I haven't said this glide aggregate, right? I'll
Yeah.
say it later, but yeah, I'm expecting from glide record. There is a
Okay.
method actually. Search in Google. What is the method to get the number of records through glide record API? Search in Google. You'll get it directly.
So it's a method, right?
Anyone have done that? Yeah, it's a method. Anyone done that?
It's glide aggregate and get aggregate
Click on
count.
show more. Click on show more.
Okay.
Go down.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This
this is the
one.
method. Get row count.
Okay. Get aggregate
See in the
count.
script. See in the script. That is the method. Get row count.
Okay.
If you want to get the row count through glide record, use that get row count. Yeah, I think Mayur, you're speaking something.
Yes,
Have you done that like that?
Yes. I
Very good.
used glide aggregate.
Glide aggregate or glide record? Huh? I did not say glide aggregate API, right? So
Glide
how
aggregate.
you can do?
Yeah, glide aggregate. Actually, I searched for the Google and then used.
Okay, actually that is a recommendable way, but even glide record also can get that. So as I haven't said the glide aggregate, I'm not expecting answer from glide aggregate actually. Okay, fine, but okay, I'll explain it later. The row count. Okay, state to inside number. Okay.
So Kalki,
And
is this
you're getting the output.
I'll just
So the I understand the gs.print method. Print method is used to print the data. And you click on proceed. Okay. Okay.
this one, right?
Fine. Yeah. You use
Okay.
the fix scripts to get the output.
So
Click on
save,
run
right?
fix script.
Oh, this one,
Click on
run fix.
run. You can just only save one time. You can click on run many times after that.
Okay. This is what I'm getting.
You're getting only one. There is only one incident or what? State two. Compare.
Maybe. Okay. Just a second. Split. No, there are a lot, but
You're not getting it. Go there. Go to the code once again.
okay. Oh, this is the
Can't find any mistake here. Showing for only one.
I've given
State two
while.
means in progress. Huh?
State 2 means in progress. Yes.
Sure.
Yes, I'm sure. Just a second. Yep.
Fine. Once again, go to the script.
Okay. Yep.
and save it.
Okay.
Run once again.
Yeah. Mm,
Add to query. Just query, whatever. Hey, go to the script. Where did you give semicolon in the line number 4?
Uh, line number 4. Huh? Okay. So line number 4 is while, right? Like while
Why did you
incident.
give semicolon? Shouldn't be semicolon, right?
Okay,
Brackets
this
are
one.
required. Yeah.
Okay.
Save. Run.
Yes.
And
Okay.
no one done this too.
And
Sorry.
the
I want to be respond. If I'm not able to do it, it's a waste of time actually. You should
other
do it.
other
Continue it
one
and learn. Yeah, Nikita, I think you're speaking something.
incident null assigned. So is this okay? Here also I've given. That's why it was showing only one.
Add null query as in group. Incident number. How many incidents are there with assignment group as empty?
Um.
Click on
So
run.
yeah. Okay. Just a second. Actually, I've
Just
made
compare
some
with the
changes.
data.
Okay.
And use any AI tools, right?
No, no, not using anything.
Good.
Yeah.
Try to do it on. Okay, don't
Yes.
even go to the session once again. Try to do it on. If you're not
So
able to, then
yeah,
again go to the session once again.
yes, I
See,
watched the
copy in,
session.
yeah, copy in one incident number and paste it in the list and see.
Okay. Yeah. Just doing it.
Everyone done this too? Or anyone is done out with this?
We-
Normally, okay. Either you can use add null query or else add query, open the bracket, assignment group, comma, empty. Inverted commas. You can do like that also. It doesn't matter, okay? It's upon your comfort, the comfort, okay?
Yeah. This is hardware.
Assignment, yeah, empty, fine, yeah. I there is no wrong with the code for this select. Okay, go to the fixed
Yep.
once again. So what about other fixed?
Yes, I have done. I have done. I'll show you just a
Okay,
second.
stop the screen sharing. Anyone done?
Okay.
Please share your screen.
Yeah.
So I want okay. Like I want to know who have done the fourth code, like incidents active count through glide record method, not through glide aggregate, through glide record.
Yeah, I've tried and it worked. I took help from
What did
Google.
you use?
Yeah. Let me
What
share
method
this.
did you use, Jagdish? Okay.
Yeah. Let me
And no
show you.
other people done that.
Uh,
Count total active.
Actually, count I used glide aggregate, and
So
rest of the three I
Okay.
use glide record. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, actually this is enough, right? You'll
yeah.
add
Yeah.
the query, and dot get row count. See, through glide record. Okay, through glide aggregate also we can do. But there's different
Yes.
formula. I'll tell you later actually. But through glide record, you can use this dot get row count method to get the count simply. Okay.
And I can also add this last line to any code out there, the previous three, situations, and I can get the total count of those code, those incidents as well, like
If
the
you
active
want,
and
yeah,
empty and all those
yeah, yeah.
things.
If you want, you
So
can.
Kalki, I have a
Yes.
doubt actually. No, not doubt actually. Just wanted to know. Like so this is the explanation, right? Like it's like gr is a variable which is declared and incident is
Here
the
is the
like
object.
okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Vr is the object and active true. Then query. So here we don't have to like previously like predefined it, right? Like like any because I was trying with if loop with the if loop can we do it? Like
If condition, if block.
if block yes if block can we
Okay.
do it if the count is like going for a like increment like if it is plus one and it's go to the last one and get the count.
आम्हाला 2 मिनिटं झालं का?
Not getting you exactly, Prasad.
Okay, so if inside if block, if I'll write a
You
code
don't have if block
that
right here.
No.
okay, no, there is no if block. I'm asking like, can we use that logic that if
Where will you add?
so below
No, I'm
like
just
before
asking.
yeah like below before like after the query runs.
Okay. So what you're trying to do? So So okay, understood. Like say the whether it's correct or not. So if there any incident records, like there is any records, then only I want to print the count. Otherwise not. Is it the one
Right.
actually you are thinking?
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
we
yes.
can. Okay, if there are no incidents, you don't want to print anything. If there are
Correct.
incidents, only you want to print the count. Is it?
Exactly. Yes, yes.
Okay, I'll say that. So yeah, you can use this if gr dot next, right? You can use if gr dot next, or else you can use if gr dot as next also. Okay,
Okay.
gr dot like not see gr means like object name, right? So dot
Yes.
as next method also verifies will check whether there is a next record or not, whether there is a record or not. Okay, you can for this purpose actually you can use either if gr dot next or if gr dot as next in the condition of if
As
block.
next.
Okay, I will
Okay.
explain it. Don't
Okay.
worry.
Okay. Got it.
So as you know that if block will only run one time, right? So that's
Yes,
why
it
you
will
that's
run
the
one
reason you
time.
can
Yeah.
use if block if gr dot next. That means if there is a next record, then only if there is a record at least, then only I want to print this count. If not, there should be nothing. You should not print
Got it.
anything. Yeah. You
Yes.
can try
Yes.
it actually if required. So,
Okay.
Jagdish, please add if block in sixth line.
Yeah.
Fifth, fifth line.
If
No,
if
sorry. Uh, a total GR count, right?
open the parenthesis.
Sorry? Yeah, yeah,
Parenthesis.
Parenthesis. If
yeah.
gr dot next. First let's use gr dot
Not this
next. It
one.
will work. Otherwise gr dot as next also. We have a method specifically for that.
Bracket,
Sorry.
bracket.
Not
Once
like that,
again?
na Jagdish.
Bracket.
Open the parenthesis, not inverted brackets. Sorry, not inverted commas. Parenthesis,
Yeah,
normal brackets.
yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
If gr dot next.
GR dot
GR
next.
dot next.
Next is a
Then,
method. So you should give parenthesis for that.
yeah.
No, after next it should be no, not here. After next there should be parenthesis. It's a method, right?
Inside that parenthesis, right?
Yes, yes, inside it. Yes,
Yes.
inside. Inside.
Yeah.
That's it. Save. Save. Actually, fraud brackets are not required here actually because anyway we wrote one statement only. So it should run actually. Run it.
Run.
Okay. Don't
Okay.
you have the records? Yeah, okay. What is on? So it has records or displaying. You can use gr dot as next also. Dot as next also. Dot as next will actually verify whether there is a record or not. Okay.
Adds
So you can
next.
use anything as you wish for this specific purpose. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
HAS has
Okay.
and one
As.
should be capital.
It should
Yeah.
be capital. Okay. Okay.
Perfect. Remove that. No, there are two next.
Mhm.
Remove one. Save. So please note of this. Look at these method files. Okay. Dot as next. Okay.
Okay.
So run. Perfect. Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Got it.
And why do we need this? If GR at has next.
Same.
I
Actually,
mean,
Prasad is
this
trying
this
to do.
this code is also
Yeah.
printing the details.
Yeah. So Prasad, what actually I want to do is, so if really as per the query, if there are records, then only want to print it. If there are no records, you don't want to print anything.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
In that case, you can use which gr dot next or if gr dot as next. Gr dot like dot as next will verify whether there is a record or not. Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
That's it. Understood?
Yes. Got it.
Okay. All right. So if remember
Hmm.
if for example if it is like there are 1000 or 2000 records out there, I just want to print the first 50 or
You
some
want to print
specific
only
like
for
the first
50. Yeah.
100 or something.
I understood. I'll be saying that today. No. Okay.
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 Yeah.
Yes.
So suppose screen sharing.
Yeah.
So Dheeraj, I think you're having some doubt, right? Please share the screen and ask. They are just doing it. We can go to the session. Dheeraj is there. Wait, Kasan is leaving. Dheeraj, Dheeraj respond.
Hello.
Yeah, Dheeraj, we can hear you.
Yeah. Today morning I written a code that is just a moment.
And Prajakta, have you done that? And Ayman Sheikh, have you done the fixed scripts codes? These are interview questions actually. Okay. The questions which I'm saying from now, if I'm saying to implement it through fixed scripts, mostly 90% they are interview questions only, which will be like helpful for an interview. You might get the same questions or somewhat modification. Logic will be same, but just the field names might be different. That's it. Yeah, Dheeraj, please share your screen. I'm waiting.
Sir, I have not logged into my instance, sir.
You don't have any doubt.
No, I have, but I haven't logged into my instance.
Okay, fine. So log in, by the way.
Yes, sir.
At the end of the session,
Today
enjoy.
morning I messaged you the queries. That is
Yes,
that
yes.
was.
So log into the instance now. So by end of the session, we can discuss it. Okay.
Tomorrow we'll discuss about it.
Sir, we'll see. Okay.
Okay,
Let's
sir.
tell me the script. What is your rank roads? So we can discuss it later. But yeah, now let's come to the session.
Okay.
So as Jagadish asked, around 2000 records or around 100 records, I want to print some specific number of records based upon the condition. Okay. So now let me go to this. So the requirement that we are going to do now is I want to print. mm, I want to print last 5 incident number.
Kalki, your screen is not visible.
I'm sharing.
Like, is it for me? Like, Jagdish, is it visible?
No, it's not feasible.
Okay.
Now,
No, still not visible.
No, actually, like we are able to see that the logo. Now
Yeah,
it is
right
visible.
now.
Yes, it is. Yes.
okay, fine. So now let's try to do this. Okay. Um, I want to print last created 5 incident record numbers. Latest created 5 incident numbers. Okay. Only 5 incident numbers, not all. Latest created 5 incident numbers. So let me write the code. It will be same equal to next what? Next. What will be the keyword now? What will be the code now?
INC add query, right? Incident add query.
This will be same. Okay.
This is the first one, the first line variable.
Yeah, the
Incident.
first line I'm saying. Now
Okay.
I want to print last created 5 incident numbers. Okay. So we have a method for that, like nothing but order by. So we should use order by descending, not order by. This order by actually orders it in the form of ascending order, and this order by descending does in descending order. Okay. We want latest created 5 incidents. So we should use descending order. Got it? And based upon which field? Based upon created field.
Okay.
Understood this or not?
Yes. Yes.
Everyone understood this or not?
INC order by.
Order by descending method will actually order the records based upon this field.
Okay.
Okay. If you remove this
Okay.
descending, it will order in ascending order of this field. But we need
Okay.
latest created. But we need latest
So, yeah.
created. So we'll make this DS. We will use this DS1. Next. We want only 5 incidents. Okay. So
Kalki,
we have a
the
method.
screen is lagging a bit.
Let me leave and join.
Okay.
So now let me do like this. So I want to print all the incident numbers. Firstly, okay, while inc dot next. So what will the code will actually give me? So what will the code will give me?
Number.
Incident
Incident number
numbers.
based on
Incident
The
numbers
create-
are set.
Yes.
based upon sys created on like in the
Created.
descending order.
Yes.
So if there is incident which is created today and if there is incident which is created tomorrow,
Mhm.
the incident which is created today will be visible first.
First. Yes.
First.
Okay, it is
Yeah.
same like this. See, the same. So you're doing this sort, right? Sort A to Z and Z to A. A to Z is
Z
nothing
to A,
but
correct.
ascending order. Z to A is nothing but
Yeah.
descending order, right?
Descending order. Yeah.
Let me, anyway, we have this field created. So
Yeah.
let me sort it once to the latest. I think this is the latest. No, this is not the latest. Let's see. So yeah, this is the latest. So I should get, wait one. Yeah. So IN's 345. I should get the 345 at the top. So let me save this. I did not set any limit. I did not say that I want only 10 records or 5 records or 1 record. Okay. Let me run.
Okay.
345. Is it 345? Perfect.
Yes.
Second is 250 250 If you want to compare all these. But yeah, anyway, what the record is actually fine, right? It's working perfect. But I don't want all these records. I want only 5 records. Okay. So for that, we have a method known as set limit.
Set
INC
limit.
dot set limit.
limit.
In this, you should use the integer, either 5, 4, or 10 or 20. I want only 5.
20.
So what will
Okay.
this code will actually give me now?
So descending 5, like top 5 records.
So what records I will get now?
Huh?
What record numbers?
Till 852, like starting from 345 to 852, I guess.
Good. So anyone is having a doubt regarding that? What will the output will be? See, the another thing
So-
that I want to remind you actually is.
Yeah.
Wait.
So when we are using INC and GR, difference between GR and INC.
See, you can use here also. You can use anything. That's what I'm saying. Here you can use your name also, but it is not recommendable. What is the code that you are writing and why you're using your name? Understood?
So
See,
we
can I
can
use
use
5 here?
INC or else GR.
Say, GR is not actually
GR
recommendable.
is nothing but
Okay.
glide record.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
I
no.
Yeah,
No,
short
no,
form of
okay.
glide
The
record.
GR that you are using is for your convenience. Even
Yes.
during my practice also I use GR only, but it's not recommendable in the real time. Okay. The variable that you are declaring should be somewhat relevant to the code. So I declare INC because I'm writing the code regarding INC incident table. Okay.
Okay.
So this
Okay.
variable declaration should be somewhat relevant to the code. That is what
Okay.
cleaning of the code will come
Okay.
to place. Okay. These are some of the recommendable methods. Even though now currently if you are habituated with GR, it's fine. Currently it's fine. But in real time, they might not move the code to the production because of this thing. The code, see, and actually there is one thing why we shouldn't use GR. We shouldn't use GR actually. As per the ServiceNow documentation, we shouldn't use the GR. ServiceNow says that using GR will actually overlap some of the out-of-the-box code in ServiceNow, and it might not work as expected. It says that actually ServiceNow. I read some documentation somewhere. It says that. Okay, it says that actually. So we shouldn't use the GR actually, and even though it's not recommendable. The way that you're declaring should be somewhat relevant to the code. So actually, I have the habit of using GR only, but I'm not using here for teaching it because you also get habituated with that. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So if you're writing the code for problem table, use PRB or use PB. Okay. It's like recommendable ways which you should actually follow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, correct.
So yeah, we should get these 5 incidents. Now I think there is I cleared your doubt.
Yes, I got sir.
Okay. So now let me run this. Let's see what it will get. Yeah. 345, 122, 398. 345, 122, 39. Yeah, 852. Okay, wait. Okay, let me see. This is created on 852. Where you got this 852 here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mm,
Maybe the creation time, I guess, like
15, 714. Actually, see, these both are at the same time. So it actually gives something. Even seconds are same, right? So it gave normally, like either one of it. Okay,
Yes.
852. It just either gave one of it. That's it. Perfect. So code is working. So if you want only 3, if you want only 10, you just modify here. Okay.
Set limit. Set.
Now the requirement for today will be
Mhm.
I should get the latest updated 5 incident numbers and their assignment group. Okay.
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 Is it difficult? No, right? It should happen here. That's it, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. And okay, so if I want only one incident, like I want the latest created incident number, what I can write the code?
I think set limit only, like one we can
Okay.
go for one. Uh,
Or else we can,
empty it, like only set limit method only we will. I feel
is there
because
Latest,
any
we
other
can
way
also
actually?
try descending order. Like if we want only specific 10 or
No,
20,
no. I
in
want only one. I want only one. I want only latest created incident number. In this code, we are printing latest created 10 incident numbers, right? But I want only
yeah,
latest created one incident. So how I can modify this code?
set limit 1.
Yeah, okay,
Set
it's
limit
perfect. You can
we can keep
definitely.
one.
So is there any other way to do that?
so order by
This should work.
descent we can change it. So only I guess INC
If we
order
can use
order by
if
only order by we can use.
Will it
Order
work?
by
Will it work?
Yes.
What did I say you? If you're using if and glide record dot next, it will run only
yes,
one
only
time.
one. Yes, it will work.
Like this also you can write, or else
Yes,
I feel this is somewhat preferable. I feel because while querying only, it will set it to one. If you
right.
don't use this, what it will do when we're during this line, it will return all the records. It will return all the records,
Correct.
and because of if, it will print only one number, only
Only
one
one.
record.
Yes.
But if you use limit here, okay,
Yeah.
while querying only, it will return only one record. While querying only, run only one record. So it's like one of
Right.
the
Yeah.
recommendable way. So you can use any way, but this is somewhat better than that. Okay, you can
Yes.
use anything which comes to your mind during entry. You also can use anything which comes to your mind. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Yes.
And we discuss this. Okay, let's discuss this ascending order now. Okay, nothing. There is nothing different. So let me make it 5, and let me use this 5. So I want last created. Last means ago in the past.
Yeah. The very
What
first
are the
one which was created.
5 created records in the past?
Yeah. So
I think okay. See, triple sum. Okay, let me sort it. We can see that's what when you're writing a code and getting the output, compare. Then only we can know right it's working or not.
251.
See, 7, 17, 54, 48. 7, 7, 54, 48, 59.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So personally,
Why you
I
didn't
got this
write
question.
ascending?
See, personally, the requirement which I said you right. I want see, yeah, we don't have ascending. Actually, order by orders it through ascending order based
Okay,
upon
okay.
this
That's
field.
default.
If we give
Okay.
this DESC, then only it will order based on descending order. Fine.
Okay, okay. All right.
Personally, the requirement which I'm giving you today, I got that question during my interview.
Okay.
I want the latest updated 5 incident numbers. Personally, I got that question. Even my friends got the question.
Got it. Yep.
That's what.
So we'll mark it as
Fine.
important.
And even this also. I said you right. If I want only one record, what are the ways that we can use? We said that you just said it's one. That is the recommendable way actually. Otherwise, I said another one.
Yeah.
What I said, you can just remove this and make it if.
If block.
Oh, yes. But set limit is much more better than this. I got this personally.
Yes.
That's what. So that's what the question that I'm sharing. It might be from LinkedIn or from personal experience or from my friends or from real cases, real time cases. Okay.
Yes.
Now, okay. Now let's discuss about. Hmm, yeah. See, whatever the query connection that you want to add, you should add before this dot query only. This dot query method will act, means nothing but clicking on run. You'll add some filter right in the list. When you click on run, that's nothing but this dot query. So after running it, can you add the queries? All right. You're
No,
running it
that's
already. So
it will not
whatever the
work
query
on
that you want to add, make it before dot query only. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. That's you're asking something.
No, that's what I was asking. Like after the query, there will be no meaning of declaring it because it will
Yes.
stop.
There's no meaning of declaring it.
Yeah.
And now. So we have this dot next method, right? The same we have underscore next method also.
Okay.
So now just read it. So what is the difference between just this and that? Just read it. Okay, there is nothing. Okay. So there is nothing difference between dot next and dot underscore next. But what is the plus point of this underscore next? When you want, like when you can use this underscore next method is if there is any field name in this incident table, like what are the table that you are doing this operation on? If there is a field name with as next, in that cases, you shouldn't use dot next, you should use underscore next. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. And in the same way, we have something method known as underscore query also. When you use this method, if there is any field in this incident
Name as
table
query.
with
As
this
query.
name, with the field name as query, then you should use an underscore query. That's it. You'll get this question in interview also. Okay. They will ask what's the difference between dot next and underscore next. When you use it underscore next, if there is any field name in the table that you are actually performing the operation on with the field name as next, so we should use underscore next. Both are actually same. Okay. That's it.
Yeah.
And okay. So what I want to do is, okay, let me do this and let me set limit to 10. I have a question for you now. 5. Let's make it 10. Okay. And we are printing the number in the same way. Let me print the state. Okay. inc dot state. So will I get the state front end value or backend name? Like the choice front end label or backend name? Because of this.
State will be front end name.
So I'll get the label of the choice like new or in
Yes.
progress or result or
Yes.
on, right?
Yes.
Any other answer from any other person?
State but backend name is state only. Yes.
I'm saying not about state, right? State like the choices. See, what is dot state? It will give the state value. It might be new or in progress, right? But what does this dot state will actually give? Will it give me the new in progress on or else 1, 2, 5, 7 like that?
No, it's a
That's
label.
what I'm asking.
Label it will print like the front end value.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what if
Yeah.
I use inc dot assignment group? Will it print the front end label or sysID?
No, front end name. Assignment
No,
underscore
the
group
front end
is-
name of assignment group.
Will it give the sysID of the group or front end label of the group?
No, the label of the
front end
group,
level.
assignment group,
Front end level.
Any
software
other
and
answer from
hardware.
any other?
It'll write.
Okay. Any other answer from any other person?
I did it and it was working.
Okay. Like there are many people in the call, right? I'm expecting response from others also. We are not responding. Mayuri and wait.
Yeah, I believe front.
And Prajakta, Prasanna, Niketan. I want everyone to answer some questions. Niketan, okay. Okay, Niketan, okay, you had to repeat it. But are you able to understand it now? I repeat it once again, right? Difference between dot next and underscore next. Respond, Niketan.
Yes, yes,
Or
yes,
Lakshmi,
please repeat.
Prajakta, you're saying
Yes, Kalki,
something?
please repeat. Huh.
Okay. So actually, it's dot next and underscore next are same. Okay, way you use this underscore next method is whenever. So what are the table that you're declaring here? If the table is having a field name with next, in that case, it will collide. In order to avoid the collision, so you should use underscore next. Understood? Understood or not?
Yes, 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 yes.
In the same way, there is a method known as underscore query also. So you should also use this underscore query method with the table that you're declaring here is having the field name. If any field name is query. Got it? This is an interview question. Remember.
Okay. And in
Okay,
the
so
same code architecture, we can also add dot next and underscore next at the same time, right?
no, you should replace this completely. You should
Okay.
replace
There will be
that. That's
no
it.
meaning of adding the
Replacement.
same both. Yeah.
Yeah, just
I'm
replacement. That's it. Not
Yeah.
adding, replacement.
Okay. Like I
So
want dot next and below that I will add another if block and then I'll like
it won't work.
it won't work,
That's what
right?
the
It will
replacement
conf
comes here.
yes.
So you shouldn't use dot next in that case. So I
Okay.
got the answers from Prasad and Jagadish that the state will print the new info or something like that. Assignment group will print the
Yeah.
front end label.
The label.
I don't know how it will
Yes.
print it. As I said, you reference will actually store the sysID. Even in the client script also, you're getting the sysID. So how we will get that here? No. See, what you're getting sysID, not the front end label. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So in that case, see, if you want, actually, you can access the values through glide record object dot field name. Otherwise, you can use this method also actually get value.
Okay.
This also gives the same output. but there is a difference. What happens
Yeah,
here
I was
is
confused with
this
this.
dot get value will return the value in the form of string, and
Okay.
this glide record object dot field name will return the value in the form of object. While you are seeing it, you can't find any difference. Now let me just show you. Let me just show you, okay? Consider gs.print type of. Actually, this is a JavaScript method to know the type of the value.
Okay.
Now see, it will show you. See,
It's a
string.
string. Yeah.
Okay, that dot get value gives in the form of string. Now let me make it dot state.
Yeah.
Okay, now it will give me it same is that glide record object dot field name will actually return the value in the form of object. See, actually there will be no difference when you're seeing. You can't find any difference actually. Okay,
Yeah.
mostly even most of the people will directly use this, not get value. But there might be some cases, not there might there will be some cases where directly accessing like this should be avoided. Okay, I'll say it after now. Okay, but now you said that like you two people said that this will give in the form of like label. This will give the label. This will give the label. Is it giving the label? No, it
It's giving
won't
the
give.
SID.
Every time it will give the
Okay, the
backend
get
value only. Okay,
yeah, the get
if you
value
want,
method will give us the
no, even the get value also will give this backend value only, but in the form of string.
Type will be
This
okay.
will
changing.
give
Yeah.
in the form of object, and dot get value will give in the form of string.
String.
Okay,
Okay.
while seeing the data, you can't find any difference actually.
Correct.
But in the backend, it will give in the form of string and the object. Now, if you
Okay.
want to get the display value, we will have a method known as get display value. Okay. Now see, so it will give you the label display value.
Okay.
You forgot display, I guess. It's get value only.
I did not forget.
Yeah.
For saying this object and string, I just said that get value. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So you can get absolute with anything. You can get absolute with this dot directly or otherwise dot get value. Okay.
Okay,
But you should
okay.
use this dot get display value only if it's required. In most of the cases, in the codes, we'll only work with backend values only, not front end labels. As I said from the starting, I'm
Get
saying it right.
display value.
We'll be in the further classes, we'll be only using the backend values, backend things only. Until you want the display value, then only you'll display. You'll use this method.
Display.
Okay.
Okay, okay,
Until
okay.
it's required. But most of the code that you are trying to write, you should use get value or else directly dot that field name.
Correct.
Got it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Now, yeah, inverse. I made it normal. Inverse it's a string, so it'll definitely remove you that. And yeah, now I said you right. There will be most of the cases there will be no collision because without you like I can use anything like dot field name or as dot get value. Most of the cases like will not like there will be no issue actually. Now let me just show you. So now currently I have printed it directly. Currently I'm printing it in a while loop, right? But what if I need to push that values into an array, and what if I want to print that array? Understood? Until now I'm just directly printing in the while loop, but I don't want it like that. I want them to be pushed into the array, and I want to print that array. Understood? Okay. Now we like I declared an array. So in order to push the elements, you will use this method dot push method. Same.
Okay.
Inc dot number. Okay, let me think. I want to print only number. Okay, no, okay. I'm not printing array. Okay, I should print the array. gs dot print of array. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, I did not save. We should save it actually. Okay.
So will it access the index of the
See what's happening. Any difference you're
It's an
finding it out?
array format. Yes.
Okay, okay.
Okay, array format. Okay,
It is
fine. But what about the values?
Okay, it is repeating.
yeah, it is same repeating.
Yeah.
Yes. This is the problem. While you're trying to
Okay.
push any values through object into an array, this will be the problem. So in that case, Either you can use get value of number. Okay. Now let's see. Actually, this is a question which I got personally. They don't actually he said that you don't want to print generally. He said that you want to push into an array and you want to print that array.
Okay.
Working perfectly.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
So that is, I would say, sometimes. So these questions you will get only if they really face it.
Mhm.
If the interviewer really face that problem, then only ask this type of question. But generally, I never heard this question from anyone. Okay. Either you can use like this also. You can use this dot to string method. This dot to string method will actually convert the value into the string. Okay. So when you're trying to push the values into an array, you should push only values in the form of string only. Perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. As everyone tried this to get the row count. Okay, we have the method known as instead of get row count.
Get row count.
Okay.
Perfect. Let me save. Simple. Simple.
Yeah.
Sorry, anyway, it's 10, right? I'm always limiting here. I'm not limiting, so anyway, we'll get it 10 only. Fine. Because I'm limiting here, right, to 10. That's why I'm getting
Yeah.
10. If I remove that, I'll get the original
Yes.
count.
Yes.
So I have something here. If I say, okay, I won't say them now. Now let me discuss. Anyways, we have discussed many methods now. So if we discuss many more methods now, I think your mind will be blown. Okay, we'll discuss other methods. Now, after this, from tomorrow, we'll go into the business rules. Okay. After discussing some things in business rules, again, we come to the fixed scripts to discuss some things. Okay, if required.
Okay.
Okay. Meanwhile, if I get some any questions idea in my brain which I've seen somewhere, I'll say them. Okay. But these the questions that I discussed today are the requirements that I'm giving for you. Those are very important for interview also. So in the transform apps, if you remember, I said something, right? Only new records should be created. Update records should not be updated if they're in Excel sheet. Existing records should not be updated. Only the new records should be created. I told you the requirement, right, for you. So it was asked actually. Did you leave the session?
No,
Hello?
no.
Yeah, you left it.
After seeing everything or before seeing?
You haven't said anything actually.
Yeah. In the
Yeah, I don't know when it was dropped actually.
so I guess 5 like 7-8 minutes before.
How many minutes happened?
Yeah.
You can see the screen now. I want
Yes,
the
yes.
latest updated 5 incident numbers and their incident assignment group. In the same way, I want the incident numbers of the incidents which are created this month. Okay. So if you want to add that query, so if you want like that, what you will do? You will directly add created and on this month. That's it, right? And click on run.
Yeah.
And copy the query and paste it there. That's it. Add to add and code query. Okay.
Yeah.
And for this, the third one is wait. The third one is VIP. I want the incident numbers which are having caller as VIP. Do you know that VIP? So we have field known as VIP in the user records, saying that those user record, that user is VIP. You know, VIP means very important person. Okay. So
Yeah.
whatever the incident numbers which are having caller as VIP, I want those incident numbers to be printed. So in that case, what you will do? So you know this dot walking, right? So you should do dot walking through which field? For caller field or not? For caller field only, right? Because VIP field is belongs to user table. Caller field is referring to user table, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes or no? So I actually
Yes.
can actually that fields like this from here. So firstly, go down, click on show related fields, okay, and we are discussing about caller field, right? The caller field is affected user for me actually. So click on this arrow. See, okay, user fields. So now it will display all the fields to which the affected user field is referring to. The affected user field is referring to user table. So it will display all the fields of user table. Okay. So in this, I want VIP is true. So it will show all the incidents which are raised by the VIPs. I have around 90 incidents. Okay. You can just copy this query and paste it here. So not this one, sorry. That is the previous one. You can copy this query and paste it here and print it. The number,
Caller
the
IDs of
numbers and
VIP is
the
equal to
numbers.
true.
Only numbers are actually enough. Okay. Otherwise, if you don't want encoded query, then you can use this add query. Add query, the same I usually do dot working there, business rules the same way you can do like caller underscore ID dot VIP
VIP.
true. Okay. I said there is no restriction that you should use add query or add query. It's your wish. No one restricts for you to use add query only. If you feel if you want to use add and code query, you can use it add and code query only. Okay, there is nothing like you should use this or that only. Even for the requirement that I'm giving now. Okay, it's up to you. But if you are habituated with add query, it will be somewhat better rather than just copying and pasting. Understanding, right?
Okay.
Yeah, as
Yeah.
you're still in the learning phase, I don't want the things to be such easy. Okay,
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
that's it. But it's up to you. It's up to you, anyways. Okay. Okay, then these are the things for today.
Yeah.
We can discuss tomorrow.
Okay.
We'll again go through the business rules for tomorrow.